Welcome to my 10th vlog, and today I'm starting my journey from France to Brussels to Doha to Islamabad, and I will just fast forward this journey because this vlog is actually about me going from Pakistan back to European Union into Poland. So stay tuned, and as this vlog will progress, I will share my experience about traveling to Poland, just like I did in my first vlog when I was traveling to France. This journey will be interesting and different because Eastern Europe is much different from the Western Europe, and so stay tuned. Hi everyone, I have arrived at Warsaw after a 12-hour flight, and now I am done with immigration and soon I will get my baggage. I have a train to Toruń, where my university is located, the Nicholas Copernicus University, and I have to take a train at 4:30, which is in 4 hours. Time to get the luggage. This is Warsaw Airport, and this is my first time in Poland, and I'm really excited to explore this country. This is also my first time in Eastern Europe. Lots of expectation from the culture and the environment. Let's see how it goes for me. Just like last time, I thought I can take the metro to the railway station and then I can just go on the train whenever the train leaves. But then I gave a second thought on that because the bus or the metro will leave me at some point, and then I have to walk again with these 3 suitcases, so it will get tiring like last time. So I have ordered a Bolt and it will be arriving soon, so I don't have to worry about it. Poland seems much cheaper than France. The metro ticket is just like €1, and if we compare that with France, that's like two and a half. And everything else seems so nice right now. The weather is really cold right now. It's not as cold, but it's like windy. Actually, the minimum temperature is 2, but currently it's 11 Celsius. So that's why it's pretty decent and comfortable for me as well. But yeah, it's windy and refreshing after coming out of a flight of 12 hours. I'm at the Warsaw Railway Central, and my train leaves in 2.5 hours, so I will spend some time in this place. I'm also hungry, so I will probably spend some time eating, and by the time I'm done, it will be almost time to leave. I have reached Torun finally, and now I am going to my residence. So the next step is to get the Bolt or Uber and go to my residence. This is the railway station for Torun. It's night, but it's not visible much, but they have a nice indoor area where they have different shops and everything. And it's very traditional. It's similar to the British work, which is in the subcontinent, but this one is much better because it's well maintained and everything. And here is my bolt. I have finally arrived in my residence and now I will show you my room. So this is my new room and it's a small studio just like the one I had in France, but this one is much more spacious and I like it better because it's modern and everything here is brand new. So starting with the kitchen, I have a sink, this is the stove, I even have cutlery and some utensils, and then I have some more stuff to cook food, a fridge, a microwave, frying pans, other pans, plates, mugs, chair, table, and this is a sofa cum bed. This can open up and it can become a full-fledged bed, which is really good. And going ahead with the cupboard, so this is a really nice cupboard. I have an iron, I have the table for ironing, and then the last thing is the toilet. Going ahead with the toilet, so it's a really nice new looking toilet with a shower, and here's a flush, a sink, and it's pretty good. I have a pretty decent view as well. It's the street outdoor. I will share more about the city once I'm settled down. For now, I need to end this vlog because I'm really tired. It's been 24 hours since I left my home in Islamabad. So it's time to rest and see you soon with another vlog with more stuff to share. That's all from my side. Goodbye, good night.